In the world of sports entertainment, changes are always around the corner, and WWE NXT is no exception. Come Tuesday, October 1st, WWE NXT will debut on the CW network with a highly anticipated episode airing live from the Allstate Arena in Chicago. This isn't just any episode, it's the start of a new era. A week later, on October 8th, they'll be heading to St. Louis, but the buzz is all about the premiere night. Shawn Michaels, WWE's Senior Vice President of Talent Development Creative, gave fans a taste of what to expect in a recent interview with the Chicago Tribune. Michaels confirmed that NXT will go through some significant changes, primarily in terms of logo and presentation. Certainly, we want to make a big splash on the CW network. We'll have some big changes, but I think more of that will be from a look and physical standpoint. We will still be what NXT is, which is bringing some of the most talented, young, diverse athletes in all of the nation and developing them into the WWE superstars of tomorrow. The hunger, the passion that's always been the core value of NXT is always going to be there. But certainly we'll try to put on some pretty cool bells and whistles for the CW launch on October 1st, Michaels elaborated. What's truly exciting for fans is the opening match for the premiere episode. NXT Women's Champion Roxanne Perez will face off against the formidable Giulia. This match promises to set the tone for the evening, showcasing skill, determination, and high stakes. The Allstate Arena is already buzzing with anticipation, ready to see how the show reinvents itself while staying true to its essence. For many fans and industry insiders alike, the transition to the CW network represents not just a new chapter, but a reinvigoration. As October 1st approaches, the air is thick with speculation and excitement.